Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into the Norvina Collection, volume number 2. So this is a pretty blue palette, so many beautiful blues. I love blue eyeshadow. I noticed that you guys like blue eyeshadow, at least on Instagram. I don't know how you feel about it here on YouTube, but blue is a thing, and I love it. So this palette has more than blues. It has some pinks, it has some greens. It's just so many pretty colors. So I finally have done a tutorial now with all of them. I don't know what order I'm gonna edit and put them up. I probably should do 1, 2, and 3, but I did 3 before 2, and I actually think I thought I loved 3 because it was so pretty and just like inviting, but I don't know, I might like this one best. I liked 1 a lot. I loved 3. I thought it was just beautiful, but this one I'm like, I think I might love this one. I bet you're here to see how to get this look, so let's quit the talking and get into the tutorial. First shade we're gonna get into is C2, and I'll be using the ABH Cosmetics number 7 blending brush from the Take Me Back to Brazil brush collection. So with C2, I'm gonna take it into the crease with the tip of my brush, and I'm going to move it in swiper motions back and forth, taking more of C2. So I'm bringing it in the center and then continuing the swiper motion that I do back and forth. I'm gonna bring it out over here to the corner. I'm adding more of C2 and I'm taking my brush, holding it like a pencil, kind of patting this outer corner and then using swiper motions again to blend up into the edge here, and I'm being very gentle. Even though I'm moving fast, gentle is always key when we're blending. We just want to be gentle, use light touches. We really want to be gentle with our eyelids. To deepen up this look even further, I'm going to be going into the shade C4, and I'll be using the Nobla Precision Soft Crease Brush. I'm taking the tip of my brush with the deeper shade and blending in swiper motion in the outer corner of the eye, in the crease, above the crease, just with a very tip further in, and then back and forth going outward, and then up into our wing as well to deepen up this pretty blue. I'm taking more and I'm patting it on the outside here. So I'm just taking the fluffy brush to blend and pat. By adding C4, I'm just deepening up this look even further, dramatizing it, and whatever, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. But yeah, what I'll do is add that to the other side. To cut my crease, I'll be using the ABH Eye Primer and the Nobla Precision Cut Crease Maker. It's just a very flat brush. Basically, when I cut the crease, what I do is I look straight forward and I let my eyes relax so that I can see where I can still see my eyelid. I make the mark above there, very kind of half cut crease as possible, maybe a little bit of a 3/4 of a cut crease, and then I lift my eyebrows and look down and clean everything up so it's a smooth line, and then I just kind of take my finger and blend this area, and then it's time to add the shimmer shade. Et voila, we have our crease cut. Okay, so once I've cut my crease, I kind of go back in with my first 2 brushes that I use, and I blend the edges just right over there, and then to deepen up that deeper part, I blend right here. I'm not adding any further shadow, like I'm not building it up. I'm just blending that edge area so that it's blended. And I will probably go back in with, what number is it? C4 to deepen it up after I put the shimmer on, but I just like to blend. Shimmer time. So I'm going to be adding A5, and I'll be using the number 9 Take Me Back to Brazil brush collection from BH, and then I'm going to start to add A5 right in there. Ooh. I'm taking it and I'm sweeping it in just one direction this way. Wow, what a pretty eyeshadow. Now I'll continue to sweep it over here as well. And I will need to take my flat brush. My flat brush, which is the one I cut the crease with. It's the Nobla Cut Crease Maker. I'll need that one to get right up to the crease in the eyelid. I'm just adding this right up to the very tippy top. Go ahead and add A5 to the other side. Now we're gonna get back into the shadow C2. And I'll also be using the number 7 Take Me Back to Brazil brush once more. And I'm kind of taking it like a stamp and pushing the base of the brush onto the lid. And I'm gonna start to blend it gently up here into this corner like that. And what I'll do is do the same thing to the other side. Time to go back into C4 and my Nabla Precision Soft, what is this called? Oh, Precision Soft Crease Brush. I don't know why I doubted that. So I'm gonna actually take it like this, literally, like I'm just dragging it down just a little bit, and then I'll start to blend. So now I'm going to push I'm only pushing down in that way. So I'm taking the brush and like sweeping it is really what I'm doing. I'm sweeping. So so first I drag the shade down, and then now I am sweeping toward the eyelid, and I'll take it close to the base of the lashes here and blend just like that. Okay, and then I'll sweep it in a little here as well. And what I will do is do the same thing to the other side. Now that I have my eye look pretty complete, I was going to add green to the inner corner, but I don't feel like it. So if you want to add green, if you want to add glitter, oh, you can add glitter right here. You can add a top it off with green in the inner corner. What is that color? I think it's there's like a light yellowish green A3. It looks like peridot. You can add that to the inner corner. That will be very like complementary to this look. You don't have to do any of that, but what I'm going to do now is add lashes. So these are the Lotus Lashes Yarzabeth Lash, and then I'll do my face makeup off camera. I'll come back together, do the lower lash line, which will probably be pretty simple with the same like deep shade that we have on. We just put that there, so you already know what's going to happen, and we'll have a makeup miracle moment to do that. So makeup miracle moment. And voila, a makeup miracle moment has occurred. So, woo, let's go ahead and do the lower lash line. So for the lower lash line, I'll be getting into C4, and I'll be using the number 5, Take Me Back to Brazil brush. I added my highlighter in my inner corner. You can do that as well with your highlighter, or you don't have to. And I'm just adding this shadow by smudging it from the outer corner in, and I'll do that to both sides. And I'm just kind of like stopping here in the middle. I'm not like bringing it all the way in. So go ahead and add C4 to the other side. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Snapscara to apply to my lower lashes, and I'll tell you what lip I am wearing in just a moment. From the Undressed 5-piece lip set for the holidays, I'll be wearing the shade On Mute. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on this look right here using the beautiful ABH Norvina volume number 2. So beautiful. I love this palette. I love all of them. I think the quality is really good. I don't know if I'm just like thinking it's better because it's better, but it feels better. Like, did the quality improve? It probably is like the same, like great quality that they've already had. Yeah, I love it. I love the eye shadow quality. It's just so good. I mean, we don't need to talk about it here on this channel. We know we love ABH. It's been a while. Been a long while since we've had some beautiful ABH palettes here, and this is collection number 2, and I love it. I love volume 1, volume 2, and volume 3. I think volume 3 is the prettiest, but volume 2 is like, ooh, so blue and dramatic. I love it. So anyway, if you are getting any of the volumes, or if you got all 3, let me know, comment that down below, and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye now.